Alright, here I have another abandoned railroad crossing, railroad bridge in Whitesburg, Kentucky. As you can see, this crossing is abandoned. It's also on the Little Bell Line Railroad in Whitesburg, Kentucky. So the tracks took off. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, the train's coming. It's Salem. See over here? There should be two tracks here. Right here. This train should go right here to the other side. Two tracks right here, and it's going towards connects to the road. So yeah, I can go over here. You can see what this cross, but I'm just driving at an angle. And here we have the abandoned railroad bridge and railroad crossing in Whitesburg, Kentucky. Over and out.